Hello everyone, in today's video we'll be going over another fantastic Syncwire product. At least I believe this one will be fantastic from the last Syncwire product I unboxed, which just so happens to be this universal waterproof foam pouch. And this one was really cool, very durable. I actually have one laying right here as well. Very durable product, just like the waterproof foam pouch. This one is IP68 waterproof. This one has extra large size though, has an adjustable strap, and is still touch screen friendly, so you can use all of your touch screen devices within the waterproof pouch without having to take them in and out and then have the worry of dropping it in the water that you might be in. So it's protected while you're not using it and while you're using it inside of the water, because you actually have the capability to use it. So super cool product. Let's go ahead and open it up. Well guys, here they are outside of the bags. Look super sleek and they feel very durable, very thick material. I think they are TPU material. That's wild that they are Velcro, but then they also have a multi-layered protection. That's weird, guys. How do we even this? Okay, now let's actually open it up and get a chance to take a look at it. First, you have that Velcro seal, and then after that, there are a series of secondary seals as well. Hopefully, I can get these broken loose with my gloves on. Wow, those are very tightly sealed. Okay, now let's go ahead and get us a touchscreen compatible device and see if it works. Now since I have a device in there, now we can test whether or not it's got the touchscreen capability. And as you can see, oh, hey, you gotta like that video, you know what I mean? But as you can see, actually have the touchscreen capability, and everything is working very quick and snappy actually. Awesome, definitely fantastic product. Definitely nothing going to be getting through there anytime soon as well. So very cool. Have the adjustable strap so you can actually put it on side of your waist, but it doesn't look tacky or anything. It actually looks pretty modern and sleek as well. And even if it doesn't, guys, it serves a purpose, and that's the products that I really love to feature on my channel. Products with real life applications and that you can use on an everyday, and especially during this season, you know, it's summertime, guys. If you guys want to go out to the lake and enjoy a day, hang out and chill, even at the pool side or anything, not only can you just protect your phone, you can actually use it while inside the pouch. So that is definitely a fantastic capability to have, and it has a large size as well, so you could fit multiple other things of value or whatever you want to protect while you're in the water or near water as well. So definitely a cool product, guys. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. If I didn't tell you before, this is actually $14.99 on Amazon, and I will leave a link to it down in the description below for you to check out. I will also leave a link to the Syncwire product page, because they also offer all kinds of other cool products for you to check out as well. So I want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to Real Life Unboxing for more products with real life applications. Smash that notification bell to stay up to date on our newest uploads. And as always, keep it real. I think it's all angels just walk by.